Wow, this is the inside of the tire repair shop in Thailand. This guy's got him some pretty nice equipment here, and he's getting the screw out of the tire. We had a slow leak, and there we go. There is the culprit right there, and he is going to put a plug patch in there, and for 100 baht, which is like $3, and he's got him a nice little setup in here. Got his fan going, got his alloy tire machine. It looks like a pretty nice machine there, and got lots of used tires to put on. Like I said, 100 baht. Well, actually, that's like $3.33 for a flat repair. Get that in the